To install Odilon Server in Windows, you have to go to the website and download the file. It is a zip file for Windows. There is no installer, just extract the zip file where you want to install the server. In this case, we install Odilon in C Odilon. This is the server, a Java executable. And the next step is to set up the parameters. To do so, you edit the odilon.properties file, and we're going to use the default values. This is the default port and credentials. For data storage, we are going to put all files here in this directory, and we are going to use RAID 0, which has no redundancy. We're not going to use encryption, and we're not going to use key management server either, and we're not going to use replication. So next step is to start the server. To do so, you go to the bin directory and execute the start script. Now the server is running. I can check that everything is okay, going to a local web page, this URL, and enter the server credentials. In this case, they are Odilon, and it will show me the server status. Also, I can do it using this command line. It will show me the same information.